You know, Nanette, I get so much joy out of visiting you and talking about Epcon Communities. There's just so much here to talk about.
There is, and it's always great to have you here to show off our beautiful homes.
It is beautiful, you don't lie.
No, we don't. We deliver on that promise, don't we?
Tell us all about Epcon Communities and what's new, what's going on.
Okay, so we have a lot of exciting things going on. Last year we created a new floor plan called Providence, and it comes in at, over 3,000 square feet, almost up to 5 if you put the bonus suite on it. It's really magnificent. And then later this summer we're going to release some townhomes in our newest Hilliard community. So it's the first time that we'll be building townhomes in Columbus, Ohio. We've been building them in our Raleigh market, but we're bringing them to Columbus because we think that they're a great home and they meet the needs of a lot of our clients.
And you have more and more that you're offering within these homes now.
We do.
Let's talk about some of, like right here, this big open floor plan.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It
with
is.
The interior courtyard so that you always enjoy that light. You know, everything is really, I'd call an upgrade or a top grade. People are always surprised when they walk inside the door what the quality is of our homes, and they really are beautiful, from the finishes and the appliances to their big walk-in showers and optional spaces with dens and bonus suites, and they really do deliver a lot.
And the family can be welcomed here, whether it's your family or the kids now are coming back.
That's right.
And you feel like you aren't missing any points of interaction because it's laid out so nicely.
It is. There was really a focus on integrating space so that you had your great room, your kitchen, your dining area, everything flowed together. And that was one of the things we heard when we did all of our research, that they really wanted open, integrated space with lots of light.
The master.
Yes,
Isn't
it phenomenal?
It is huge.
You kind of never want to leave it, do you?
Exactly.
You just get up in the morning, have your coffee, and evening, have your wine, just stay there.
It just has that little room off to the side.
Yes, yeah, the sitting room.
And then you have the ensuite, which is all state of the art.
Yes,
too.
yeah, with the walk-in showers, and often we'll create our showers with 0 entry, 0 threshold. So it doesn't matter whether you've just had knee surgery or hip surgery, or you just, you were just tired from riding your bike. You can make your way into the shower without any obstacles.
So when the family does come, you have a couple different bedroom options.
Yes, so we always have, every home comes with 2 bedrooms on the first floor, and then we can also do bonus suites, which usually adds a whole other living space with an additional bedroom, full bath.
I love that it's not cookie cutter. You can really design your own home.
Yeah. It's fun to walk into homes where residents are living in them, because they all look very different. You know, from the outside they may look similar, but once you step through the door, they all look very different. They've really personalized them.
And life isn't just on the inside. I think we're going to go to the clubhouse.
We are.
And discuss what goes in around the community, right?
Lots of fun.
Okay.
Lots of activities.
I can't wait to see what goes on, and maybe a little pickleball later in the day.
Okay, that'll be fun.
This clubhouse is just mammoth.
Isn't it, Shawn? Yes.
It's decorated so nicely. It's beautiful.
It is.
Homey.
Very,
Yeah.
very. And it really is an extension of your home. When you live in the community, you have not just the home you purchase, but you have the clubhouse that comes with it. There's a fitness center here in the clubhouse. You can use the clubhouse whenever you like. They had a big event here over the weekend, a great big cookout. All the neighbors came. And you can rent it for private parties if you'd like.
You know what's so good about that? If you have a center point like a clubhouse in a community, you get to start to know people.
You do.
And sometimes, I know for me, over the years, you start to lose friends. You don't have them like you did in your 20s.
Right.
So this is a chance to regroup and meet new people.
It is. I think friendships are formed pretty easily here when you move into the neighborhood.
I'm sure. The other amenity that people must love is that a lot is taken care of for you.
It is. So your snow removal, your cutting your grass, you don't do any of that anymore. So all that time you get back. The time that you used to spend is now yours.
Come up here and meet your new friends.
That's right. That's right.
What about the pool?
Well, the pool is amazing. And there's pickleball and there's bocce ball. But do you want to go see the pool?
I'd love to go see the pool. Let's go do that.
I'm going for it. You go.
I don't think so. Because that would require a bathing suit.
Well, we could have,
I got to work up to
okay.
that. Got to work up to that.
All right.
All right. So this is obviously one of the great amenities. This beautiful pool.
It is.
And it's just another reason to be in an Epcon community.
It is. I mean, and our neighbors love it. They can bring guests. They can bring their grandchildren here. They have a great time.
I bet this is definitely a destination. I have to check it out. You know that.
The water, I'm sure, feels great.
Oh, so nice. Can I wear my full clothes? I'll wear everything.
Okay,
Right.
we could do, what do they call us? Yes.
It's so good to see you.
It's great to see you too.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming out.